If you ask me which plants enjoy monsoon the most, my answer will always be ferns. While many plants struggle with heavy rain and changing weather, ferns come alive. Their leaves become greener, their growth becomes faster. And suddenly your balcony starts looking like a tiny rainforest. Today I want to take you on a tour of my favorite fern collection and also explain why monsoon is exactly and actually reason of their happiness. Welcome back to the Green Thumbs Guide. If you are new here, I grow more than 200 plants in my apartment balcony, and every monsoon one group of plants completely steal the show. My ferns. But when it's come time of monsoon, the plants who are almost dying just come to life. Let's start with one of my absolute favorites. Number 1 is Peacock Fern. This is my beautiful Selaginella willdenowii, completely known as the blue peacock fern. Just look at the amazing blue metallic shine, is almost look unreal. During monsoon, the humidity naturally increases and this plant become lush and vibrant. Unlike summer, I don't have to worry much about crispy leaves. This is definitely one of the star of my balcony. The entire summer I was actually worried about that plant, but see now monsoon how it grows. Now going to the next one. This is my bird nest fern. Unlikely most ferns with delicate leaves, this one has broad shiny foliage. Every rainy season I notice fresh leaves emerging from the center. It's not yet started. It absolutely enjoys its growing thing and it absolutely enjoys this cool weather. Rain is not yet started properly, so it's not that much happy right now, but yes, at the end of monsoon it will be more greener. Number 3 in this list is Crocodile Fern. Its textured leaves just look like crocodile skin. The extra humidity during monsoon makes these leaves look fresh, healthy and glossy. Have you ever seen this fern? How do you like it? Please tell me in the comment. Now moving to my oldest fern, this is cotton candy. This fluffy beauty, this soft feathery foliage adds a completely different texture to the garden. It looks especially beautiful after a rainy morning. You can see new growth is coming out from the bottom of the drainage hole. Now number 5 in this list is silver lace fern. This delicate flesh-like leaves create such an elegant look. It prefers evenly moist soil and monsoon naturally provides the perfect environment. It was almost dying in the hot summer, so now as monsoon started, see its growth. And we are only halfway through my fern collection. The next one is something you don't usually see in apartment gardens. This is my tree fern. Although I don't currently have it growing the same way, I wanted to share this footage because it remains one of the most fascinating ferns I have ever owned. Now going to the next fern. This is a different type of fern. I think you have not seen it more frequently. This called Lycopodium ferns. Technically they are not true ferns, but they create exactly same rainforest feeling. This most like growth become incredibly lush during the rainy season. I have 2 types of variety and simply love using them to create a miniature forest look. See in this water body, and there is this fern just coming from the top. How does it look? You can tell me in the comment box. Do you like this arrangement or not? Now moving to the next one. This beautiful fern name is Kenzoi. It's one of my favorites. The elegant fonts creates movement in the balcony whenever the breeze blows. Watching it dance during the monsoon rain is incredibly relaxing. Now moving to the next one. This is Emerald Fern. This is very special today. Actually rescued it from the roadside. Someone, I think it is coming out anywhere from the roadside, and with little care, water and patience, look at it today. Sometimes plant simply needs another chance. Now finally this can see this beautiful triangular leaf ferns. This is awesome. I found this plant is amazing. I still don't know its exact botanical name. If any fern expert is watching this video, please help me to identify in the comments. Whatever the name of this ferns, this delicate triangular leaves are absolutely stunning, and this is so fresh and it gives us so beautiful vibe in the entire garden. So why do ferns become so happy during monsoons? Because rain brings exactly what they love: high humidity, cooler temperature, consistently moist soil, softer sunlight. These conditions are very similar to the forest floor where most ferns naturally grow. That's why monsoon is their growing season. If you go outside any hilly portion and the slopey portion, you can see naturally so many maidenhair ferns are actually growing. Those are actually beautiful, but I'm not bringing them at home because I have seen that after bringing home they eventually died. So I love them to see in that slopey hilly portion and outside only. If you have been thinking about adding ferns to your balcony, this is probably the best seasons to start. They bring texture, freshness, and a peaceful rainforest feeling to even the smallest space. There are other ferns also. Those are very easy to grow and very common, but I don't like to grow the common ferns because I love something exotic in my balcony. And see, it's a very small space, that's why I keep only this unusual ferns. Now tell me in the comment which fern from today's collection become your favorite. Was this the blue peacock fern, or the crocodile fern, or this emerald fern, or this unusual looking Lycopodium ferns? If you enjoyed today's fun too, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Green Thumbs Guide, and join me every Monday as we explore more beautiful plants together. Until next time, happy gardening. Bye. See you on Monday with different topic. If you want to learn anything new, can you please tell me in the comment box what you want to see in my next video. Okay, till then, bye.